Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you my #1 tip, trick, whatever you want to call it, okay, that helps me to achieve a very full wash and go. It's just a really simple trick I want to share with you guys. So cue the intro. First, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
My old time subbies, congregation, Happy Curl gang, Rain gang, welcome back for another video as well. Thank y'all for clicking on this video, and let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm a little under the weather, so please excuse any type of trifling, sounds coming out of my mouth. Yeah, I was gonna go ahead and use the AUSSIE instant freeze, which this is different from the Headstrong gel that I did a review on a long time ago. But I was thinking about trying this, but I'm not sure how my results are gonna come out because this is my first time trying the instant freeze. But just go ahead and do it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and do it, okay? So I put leave-in on my hair. I forgot what I used. It's not with me. I believe it was, I don't even know. Listen.
No, let me tell you something.
Look what God did. Remember having the last few videos I've been struggling with some clips and found me some clips. Just if you clean up, you find stuff. And mom,
y'all better listen now. I'm telling you, that's a word.
So this is how the instant freeze looks. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the AUSSIE Headstrong gel. I usually find these at grocery stores, and you can find it at Target and stuff. But usually whenever I go to Target, it be gone. And I'm a little, upset about that, you know what I'm saying? Because it's one of my favorite types of gels or whatever. Yeah, I really loved that gel. It's a very cheap gel, like $2 or $3, maybe $4. I don't really remember. So usually AUSSIE products are very affordable. So we'll see how it dries. But like I said, I wanted to include this up and through, okay? Because, this might be your first time. Hey girl, you subscribed yet? I just wait. I just want to know, it's a problem if you're not, sis. But sometimes people are new, they click on the video and they want to see the entire process. So I said, let me go ahead and do that, okay? So I am raking and smoothing like I normally do, and then we're gonna go ahead and pray. Amen, with our praying hands motions, okay? We're just gonna go ahead and further smooth, amen, that area, okay, or that section, I should say.
DJ flame it up. Drop it low, make it pop. 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 Drop it low, make it pop.
Alright y'all, so this is how my hair looks with the product all applied. The only thing with the AUSSIE gels or gels like this, I end up only getting maybe like 2 uses out of it.
Oh hell no!
So, it's still a really good gel for my hair. I like it so far. As you can see, it's weighed down my hair like the Wet Line would or the Eco. So my tip to getting a fuller looking illusion type of wash and go without manipulating your hair too much. Now, there is a little bit of manipulation, but not too much, okay? I personally like to have my hair over to the side. One, it gives the illusion of fuller hair. Again, this is for me, y'all. Okay. So having my hair over to the side gives it more of a fuller illusion off the bat, okay, after it dries. What works for me is taking my DENMAN brush. DENMAN brush, as you guys know, you guys see me use it in almost all of my videos while I'm doing my wash and go. Like I stated before, it helps to smooth the cuticles for me, allowing the application to be better when I'm doing my wash and goes. However, this is also known to clump your hair, okay? What I do is I only do my ends. I clump my ends. I apply my styler how I normally would, raking and smoothing. I don't shingle much really. Now, you shouldn't manipulate your hair too much while it's in this phase, but just for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I go ahead to the ends of my hair and I define them. And I shake, which is just going to clump just the ends. Scrunch if you need to. That's how my ends are looking, okay? Right here is how my ends look without using the Denman brush to clump just the ends. And this is how my ends look using the Denman brush to clump my ends, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, and I like to flip mine away from me. You don't really have to do that, it's just what I do. And for me, because there is product, I have to shake it to get the curls to kind of clump. I don't need to do this, but this is what I find works really well at giving me the illusion, once my hair is dry, of a fuller wash and go. It's up to you to apply more gel if you would like to. Y'all know I'm heavy-handed, so it don't bother me.
DJ play it pop, make it pop, drop it low, make it pop, drop it low, make it pop, drop it low, make it pop, make it pop, drop it low, make it pop, make it DJ play it pop, drop it low, make 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 it pop. DJ play it up.
So I am going to dry my hair like I normally would, which is with my diffuser. Okay, so my hair is about like 95% dry. There's some damp areas. Now, like I said, this may cause more shrinkage. You can always stretch your hair, but I don't mind the shrinkage. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and stretch my hair. So again, when I stretch, I am not going all the way down and stretching out the ends of my hair. So as I'm going through, I have not picked. All I'm doing is stretching to about like right here. And I just want to show you guys how full my hair is. Just like, look, there's been no picking. I'm not even done. I still have this section. I still have some coils in certain sections. Once you unravel those, it will also make your hair obviously more full amount.
Amen.
You guys, how I would just kind of unravel it carefully. If you don't want frizz, I personally don't mind. But look at how full like my hair looks. It just looks super full for first day hair. Okay, look at that. All right, so you can stop right here, okay? So you can definitely go ahead and take your pick. I'm gonna go ahead and take my oil, my hemp oil, I have a video on it. I'm gonna go ahead and coat my pick. This just helps me, okay? This just helps me kind of minimize my frizz in a sense, and it also helps with breakage. And like I said, you can stop right here, you can fluff. You don't have to do any of this, okay? But this is for me. Okay, moms, okay. We're gonna go ahead and pick, but we're gonna do it in a specific and strategic type of way and month. So in the back, we're gonna take the back section, okay? We're gonna start at the root, but we're gonna stop about halfway down. So this section of my hair, I don't want really to frizz up as much. So again, we're gonna go ahead from the roots. And again, you don't have to go all the way down to the ends. And again, my frizz is so minimal, okay? It's looking very voluminous, okay?
DJ play it pop, make it pop, drop it low, make it pop, drop it low, make it pop, drop it low, make it pop, make it pop, drop it low, make it pop, make it DJ play it pop, drop it low, make it pop, drop it low, make it.
As you can see, my ends overall look way healthier. My hair just looks super full and super healthy and thick. I don't have to wait till the third day in order to get the hair that we want. Doing it this way, it just gives the illusion of just this thick, just hair. Just another plus, y'all, to this method. When you're ready to rock your puffs, because you're anything like me, I like to rock my puff on old hair and just look so much better, and your puff actually lasts longer because your ends are so coiled and it's just, trust me, it be looking good, okay? What you think? Let me know what you think, okay? Jesus be working, okay? Y'all can't tell me he don't, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have not subscribed, sis, that's a problem. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.